Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create robots.txt file in Shopify. First, log into your Shopify account. Once inside the dashboard, on the left panel, go to Online Store. Now for here, beside your theme, click on these three dots. From the options, go ahead and select on Edit Code. Once inside the code editor, if you go ahead and search for robots, you'll see that there is no results found. So to add one, go back to Explorer, and in here, go to Templates. Then, on the upper ribbon, click on this Add New File. Then for here, just go and type in robots.txt.liquid. Then just go ahead and press on enter. And there you have it. You now have your robots.txt liquid file. You can now go ahead and edit it to your liking. Just go ahead and click on the save button on the top right once done. And that's just basically it. That's how you create a robots.txt file in Shopify. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.